Hi guys! Kumusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pala kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyo kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipahin rin tayo ng bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron akong mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react nga ako guys dito kay Tay Ashley Sings I'm Not That Girl. And sobrang excited na ako na mapanood to, kaya i-play na natin to. Without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Tara, play na natin. Okay, bilang tayo ulit ng 3, 2, 1, go. So here we go. Wow, ang ganda ni Thea.
Hands touch, eyes meet,
Ooh.
sudden silence.
Grabe yung emosyon niya pag kumakanta siya, no? Wow.
Sleep in a giddy room. He could be that boy,
Galing?
but I'm not that girl. Don't dream too far. Don't lose sight of who you are. Don't remember the rush of joy. He could be that boy.
Grabe boses niya pang Disney
But
din.
I'm not that girl.
Grabe yung diction, no? Sobrang clear.
So often we long to steal to the land of what might have been, but that doesn't soften the ache we feel when reality sets back
Galing.
in. Blithe smile, lithe limb. She who's winsome, she wins him. Gold hair with a gentle curl. That's the girl he chose, and heaven knows I'm not that girl.
Wow. Ang galing niya.
Don't wish, don't start. Wishing only wounds the heart. I wasn't born for the rose and pearl. There's a girl I know.
Wow. Ang husay.
He loves her so. I'm not that
Wow. Ang galing, galing, galing. Ang galing ni Thea, no? Sobrang ganda ng boses niya. Pang Disney yung boses niya. Di ba? Grabe, sarap pakinggan. Ang sarap pakinggan. Habang kumakanta siya, parang siyang nagkukwento. Di ba? Napakagaling niyang singer. At the same time, magaling din siyang storyteller. Kasi yung kinakanta niya is parang kinukwento niya. Kaya grabe yung connection niya sa heart ko. Di ba? Ang husay, napakagaling. Alright, kung nagustuhan nyo to guys, bigyan nyo itong malaking likes. Mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel. Bye po.